This guide explains how to set up a Workspot desktop pool for Amazon Workspaces Core. Start by signing into Workspot Control and navigating to Resources, then Cloud Desktop Pool, then click Add Pool. Choose your Workspaces Core cloud configuration, then choose a template and your AD connector for Amazon Directory Services. Select the VM and disk class and decide on the sizes for both the root and user disks. Enter a name for both the desktop pool name and pool display name, and specify the number of desktops you want to provision. Give a name to the desktop, stay with the default settings, and make sure your Cloud Gateway cluster is selected, keeping the rest at default. To finish, click Create. For Amazon Workspaces Core, desktops are provisioned when they are assigned to a user. To assign, under Actions, select Assign, then choose Workspot. Search for a user and click Assign. Refresh the page to check the provisioning status. Use Check Progress to continue to monitor. After about 15 to 20 minutes, the desktop will be in an online state. Click on Back to Pool Details to see the desktop marked as ready.